boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, I come to you early this morning. It's pre-market, just before the United States opens, my friends. I hope you're having a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my friends. Uh, I wanted to tell you about a baby knockout that may have a little action here. I call it a conditional baby knockout is what I call it here. I'll tell you about it in a second here, my friends. But as you know, the scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. You can go to your local library when everybody comes out of lockdown. And I hope you and your family are safe and sound right now as we go through this lockdown period, my friends. You can go get the books, Mickey D, D-E-E. You can go to the library. You can go to the bookstore, wherever you see fit, my friends. My friends, before I tell you about this baby knockout here, special shout out, Sunny D, thank you for the PayPal donation. Hammer Slammer, let's get it started, Hammer. It's definitely hammer time there. Thank you very much for your donation. And Mark Jarrett, thank you for your donation also. And anyone else that's donated to, a lot of people like to remain anonymous. That's fine. We like that, my friends. But thank you very, very much for your donations with PayPal, my friends. And we'll have other systems here sooner or later, but it's PayPal right now, my friends. Love you, thank you, and God bless you. My friends, I wanted to tell you about a story, a company, a little company that's rebranded itself. Now, it was formerly a National Access Cannabis, and I liked it then. And this was back, I guess, a couple years ago or so. And a lot of these companies have rebranded themselves, my friends. Not just this particular company, which calls themselves now, they call themselves Meta Growth Corp. See, I shouldn't be doing this early in the morning because I'm not going to do it again. I'm going to get back in my bed, or go do a little trading and then get back in my bed, right? Meta Growth Corp is the name of it. META.V for you in Canada, and NACNF for those on the over-the-counter in America, right? I don't know what the symbol is. I don't think they have a symbol in Frankfurt for my listeners in Europe. But my friends, you maybe look that up, or you can get one of those symbols. NACNF, once again, it's like 11 cents or so on the over-the-counter, and it's like 14 cents, META.V in Canada. Now, there's a recreational cannabis retailer. Now, they're supposed to be coming out with their earnings. They're going to have their annual earnings, and also going to have their quarterly. A lot of these companies have taken advantage of the 45-day extension because of COVID-19, and they're one of the companies. Also, as you know, our other baby knockout in the cannabis industry. It's too early for me. Too early. Tilt Holdings has also taken advantage of getting that extra time and getting it together. Those 45 days or so, my friends. But this particular company, Meta Growth Corp, they've rebranded themselves. Like I said, they were National Access Cannabis. Then they were good. They were a retailer. They're a Canadian retailer. They've added a couple new board members that will get them started. Like I said, their annual report, we should be seeing that anytime now. Maybe seeing it today. Like I said, depending on what happens with this report, same thing with Tilt Holdings, depending on what happens with these delayed reports, they can be good, they can be bad. So right now, the cannabis sector is moving, my friends, a little bit. All stocks go up, they go down. But if you ever wanted to own any of these marijuana companies right now, several of them are on sale right now, and it's probably a good time to, cherry pick on pullbacks, my friends. Same thing with the gold, silver area. Same thing with uranium, the cryptos, and like I said, all of the cannabis. It's just time to just cherry pick, my friends, and get the best of the best here, especially our baby knockouts. we support them because they have an opportunity to really knock it out of the ballpark sooner or later, my friends. Also, yesterday Bitcoin and the cryptos were kind of up and down. Bitcoin went under 9,000, so it couldn't hold that. Ethereum went under 200, so it couldn't hold that. What I did, my friends, is and taking profits is not a bad thing, my friends. So I did take some profits on. I took some profits on HUD 8. I was up like 60% or so. I took some profits on Riot. I was up over 105%. Took profits. I also took some profits on Hive. I took a little off the table, my friends. You're up 80, 60, 100, what have you. It's not a bad idea to take some off the table if you're up, my friends. I think I'm being a little too loud. I don't want to wake everybody up, But my friends, once again, thank you very much. I'll have the link for you. You can participate also with PayPal. I have that link for you, my friends. Thank you. You have a great trading day, and take a closer look at Meta Growth Corp, my friends. Take a look and see what their earnings are, and we'll just follow up from there. Also, Tilt Holdings will be coming out also with some of theirs. And we'll just see how things go. Things are on track right now for uranium. Things are on track, gold and silver. Just typical profit taking, nothing off the ordinary. Cryptos with Bitcoin, our cryptos will go up when Bitcoin goes up and Ethereum go up. Our cryptos will go down when they go down also, my friends. That said, enjoy you and your family today. Have a great weekend. If I don't talk to you until Saturday or Sunday, God bless you. Take care of you and your family.